Mutiana Kalikasan 2011. So she will be holding the second runner-up and Mutiana Kalikasan 2011 title, and she is none other than candidate number 18 from San Nicolas, Christine Angel Alvira. Congratulations. From San Nicolas, the mayor here.
Our second runner-up will be awarded by Honorable Sophronia Ona Jr., Honorable Christopher De Leon, Honorable Divina Palma, Honorable Yanda Valiria. And she will be crowned by Ms. Severo Alejandro, and she will also be getting additional prizes such as domestic tour for two from Golden Sunset Resort and accident insurance worth 25,000 pesos from St. Ronald William.
Now we have board member Debs Palma, board member Boyet De Leon, former board member Leandro Valeria, and liaison officer of Governor Vilma Santos Recto. The second runner-up of Mutiana Batangan 2010. Again, congratulations to Christine Angel Alvira of San Nicolas.
Nandito po si Mayor Santabang ng San Nicolas.
Okay, now we have only two. The two girls, we'll have the two girls go in the front. Alright, let's call on number 24 to come in the front. And also number 21. Dito tayo sa harap. Yan po ang ating dalawa natitira. We have number 24, Panawan, and number 21, Santo Tomas. Sino kaya sa kanila ang magiging mutya ng Batangan?
Halos magkapit-bahay po ito. Ang Santo Tomas at ang Tanawan.
But before we do announce the winner of Mutiana Batangas 2011, including the first runner-up, we'd like to invite on stage the presenters of our first runner-up and our Mutya ng Batangas 2011.
The presenters for Mutiana Batangan Tourism are our first runner-up are Mr. Victor Reyes, Honorable Joel Portugal, Honorable Roman Rosales, Honorable Joel Atienza, Ms. Angeline Florence Garchitorena, and the presenters for Mutiana Batangan 2011, Governor Vilma Santos Recto, Vice Governor Mark Leviste, Mr. Pedrito Martin Dihan Jr., Honorable Hermenegildo Dolor, Juliana Capandel.
Ako yung kinakabahan eh. Santo Tomas o Tanawan?
Asa ng mga taga-Tanawan? Oh, asa naman ang mga taga Santo Tomas? Magkatabi rin kayo? Who will be tonight's Mutiana Batangan 2011?
We'd like to invite our presenters to come up on stage. The presenters for the first runner-up and our Mutiana Batangas 2011.
Of course, on stage we have our provincial administrator, Mayor Vic Reyes, our board member from the 1st District, the Honorable Boy Rosales, Governor Vilma Santos Recto, and of course, board member Portugal. We also have board member Corona of the 3rd District. Incidentally, ang dalawang natitirang kandidata ay mula po sa ikatlong distrito ng lalawigan ng Batangas. Tanawan and Santo Tomas, patunay lamang na nagagandahan talaga ang mga dilag sa bahaging ito ng lalawigan.
At ang Tanawan, kilalang-kilala yan sa suman.
Sumang magkayakap.
Magkayakap, mga kakanin. At magaling yumakap.
Siyempre, bago po natin ipakilala sa inyo ang inyong bagong mutya ng Batangan, nais din po nating pasalamatan at bigyan din ng congratulations lahat ng mga nagagandahang dilag na nandito po sa entablado. Lahat po ng mga representatives ng inyong po mga towns and cities. Girls, the fact that you're there means that you're all winners. Congratulations on doing a great job. And until now, nakasmile pa rin kayong lahat. Kaya talagang ibang klase talaga ang Batangueña. Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga girls natin dito sa likod.
And of course, we would like to congratulate, of course, the chairman of the Mutyanang Batangan 2011, Miss Emily Katigbak, and the rest of your staff. Congratulations to you. Nasaan si Miss Emily?
Okay, Vice Gov Mark Leviste. Ito na tayo. He will announce the first runner-up.
Are you ready? Ang una po natin papangkitin ay ang nagwagi bilang first runner-up at natural ang pangalawa o panghuli natin papangkitin ang siyang nagwagi at mag-uwi ng corona ng Mutyanang Batangas 2011. Handa na ba kayo?
Yes!
Ang Mutyanang Batangan 2011 first runner-up o Mutyanang Batangan Turismo 2011 is Jing, thank you very much. Christine, maraming salamat po. It was really a pleasure and honor to be working with you girls. Of course, kay Councilor Bobby yan. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga MC or host.
Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita po ninyo sa amin at sana po ay maulit muli ang pagsasama natin dito.
Sa 2012.
Yes, sa 2012.
Basta kayo ay hindi mananawa.
Yes,
Okay.
pasalamatan din muna natin muli ang lahat ng mga mayors na up to this time ay kasama po natin. Thank you so much.
We'd like to invite our mayors.
Para dun sa dalawa ha, sino kaya sa dalawang ito?
We'd like to invite our mayors from Tanawan, Mayor Sonia Torres Aquino. And if our mayor
From
Santo
Santo Tomas,
Tomas,
yes, he is still here. Mayor
present.
Federico. Sige nga po, dito po tayo sa entablado.
habang inintay po natin umakyat si Mayor Federico at si Mayor Sonia Torres Aquino ng Santo Tomas and Tanawan respectively, subukan natin ikaran sa palakpakan. Palakasan at palakpakan para sa Santo Tomas!
At para naman sa Tanawan, saan ba nang gagaling yun?
Okay, kasama na po natin si Mayor Torres Aquino, Sonia Torres Aquino, at Mayor Federico ng Santo Tomas. Okay, ang Mutyanang Batangan 2011 first runner-up o Mutyanang Batangan Turismo 2011 is candidate number. Pwede niyo po ako sundan sa Facebook, pwede niyo po sa Twitter, Mark Leviste po.
And watch out for the SK night tomorrow at 7 o'clock.
And the winners are for first runner-up, candidate number 24, Tanawan. Batangan Mutyanang Batangan 2011 is candidate number 21, Miss Santo Tomas, Mary Rose Buenos.
Congratulations to our new queen from Santo Tomas, Mary Rose Buenos. You are Mutyanang Batangan 2011!
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta ngayong gabi. Patuloy niyo pong suportahan ang isang mga activities ng Malaya Festival at marami din pong salamat sa bayan ng Tarapaco host kami sa Malaya Festival 2011.
Maraming kayo simulan dito po sa beautiful Batangas. Let the shine through